Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 23rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, we had a mixture of bad and good today, and even though the statistics wouldn't necessarily make it a terrible losing day, I am very apprehensive after what happened today. Excuse me. I'll explain that in a second. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, surprisingly enough, did not do anything that would indicate the high drama and trading that we experienced today. It started going up at the beginning, then it failed, came back, looked like it was gonna maybe really sell off, and then it comes back, ends up closing down 31, which is pretty insignificant. Basically, I almost call this sideways action. So, you know, the Dow isn't telling us, giving us any indication of the kind of volatility that we had in the stock market today. I am going to go out on the limb, and I'm going to call the Dow up tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, you know, you can make a case for it going down, but it actually looks to me like this was kind of a consolidation day, and it's going to resume its upside move tomorrow. That might help us, it might not. Here's what happened. We had very nice exits for today. You know, we had this move up at the beginning of the day. That always helps us. And we ended up closing out positive over $15,000. I mean, that's always a good day, great day when that happens. The problem, and the thing that's got me really worried, is for some reason, even with this kind of downside lackadaisical move in the Dow, we ended up getting into 22 positions today. That's a lot. Anytime we go over 20, that is a lot. And of those 22 positions, only 7 are positive and 15 are negative. And, you know, nothing's strong positive either. You know, it's just the positive trades are very weak, and a couple of the negative trades are very negative. And we're holding negative over $12,000. So, you know, when we got negative $12,000 with 22 positions, that's a dangerous situation. I mean, if things got bad tomorrow, this could get pretty bloody. And yeah, I'm nervous. I am quite honestly nervous. It would help if the Dow took off tomorrow. That might get us out of this okay, but I'm very nervous about this, even though technically we made more than we're holding open trade loss. Okay, I'll show you a couple of the bad trades first. This first one is in Radius Health, and this was fairly typical of our bad trades. To give this move up at the beginning of the day, it gets us in, and then it fails and sells off, and this was down over $2,000. That was not the worst. I will show you the worst. This is in Sun Edison, and you see the same very kind of pattern. Strong at the beginning of the day, and then it fails. And this actually, even though the chart may look the same as Radius Health, it's the loss is greater. We're actually down over $4,000 on Sun Edison, and this Sun Edison stock has been just horrible lately. I mean, it's just like we keep getting killed in it over and over and over again. I'm always reluctant to take those out of the portfolio, however, because they do turn around. Not everything was bad. What we did well in was, if I can find it here, is our exits. I mean, we had really just very good exits today, and I'm showing you actually two trades here in VIP shops and or VIP's shop, and this first one here, that was good for over $2,000 we got out of that 2 days ago. Yesterday we get back into VIP shops and got out here, and that was a total of $5,000 just on this trade. But combine these two, in 4 days we had like $6,000-7,000, or $4,000 and $2,000. Yeah, okay, we got $6,000 here on these two trades in 4 days. So that's very good. And finally, the big one, really great trade. This is Bazoon again, and we bought this yesterday. It really took off yesterday, closed very nicely, and then it shot up. We get a gap open, and we got out very nicely right there, and we took over $6,000 out of Bazoon. So we had some great trades on our exits, but it was our entries that killed us today. So I don't know, we just gotta hope and pray for tomorrow. That's the best I can do. So this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.